morning. It's been a while since I actually said I was on a mountain. It's come up for 3 months since I was last out in the hills. Basically doing holidays, work, weather, life, getting in the way of things. So I'm back out. I'm up with Scott. We're up in the Lord's range. We're going to do 2 Munros, hopefully do 2 Munros. Weather is a bit overcast, a wee bit of chilling there, but I think it's to be like this all day. I don't think there'll be much in the way of views or anything like that. So I'll bring you back. That's us 20 minutes in, and that rain that started at the car didn't come to nothing. So you can imagine we're roasty, toasty. The first wee bit there, just going through these peat bogs, peat hags. I checked the MWIS, said 40% chance. We'll see. We'll see. This has been on the go for just coming up to the hour mark, and we're just under 2 mile. Currently sitting just above the 800 metre mark. So the good thing about these Munros is you got a wee head start. You start, it's about 550 you start at. So these are 2 Munros me and Scott had earmarked a good few weeks back. The time we went to the Bothy in the amber weather warning. So we'd always had planned to do these, and this is the first available time we've been together to come out and do it. But Dave, I know you'll watch this, mate. The last time we were out, you were calling me the Munro Clagger. We're in the clag, mate. We're in the clag. That's us at our first summit of the day. That took us 1 hour and 25 minutes to get to the summit. I think we're at 1,069 metres. Claggy! That's us doing after the first Munro, just heading along towards the second one. I was talking to a couple of guys there, they're attempting the 7 that day, so good luck to them. So the guy's named Martin, good luck to you, mate. He recognised me from my YouTube channel, so it's always good to get a wee bit of recognition if somebody watches your channel, so thanks a lot, mate. Best of luck to you in that one. That's a look at Munro number 2. You can pick it up, there's a nice wee path. Just takes you right up the side there, then up to the top. I can see somebody coming down there. But Cracking weather down in here once you're out that wind. Yeah. I wish the weather was less at the top, but I know it's not going to be as soon as you get a wee bit of exposure. That's you back in the wind, the rain, the clag. But you never know, we maybe get a wee view at this one. Fingers crossed here. Right. Buddy.
Well done, mate. Yes.
Yes!
Whew.
No, what is one done?
10:30, mate. 2.5 hours.
Yeah. That's us at the summit. Munro number 2. Deep in the clag, and that took us 2 hours and 25 minutes, over an hour between summits. Good going, not so bad up here now. The wind's died down, but we're deep in the clag. Good to get a couple of Munros under my belt since I hadn't been out for a while, so picked an ideal couple of day, not too taxing. Weather could have been better, but you can't have it all, can we? That's the rain, well and truly on, but we're coming off the side of the Munro, so should be okay. Pretty steep. Glad I never decided to go up that way. That was steep descent coming down. But we're nearly at the bottom yet. Then we just skirt up side of that hill there. Then that wee burn's there. We'll skirt down the side. Go back to the car parked in the back here. That's us done and back at the car. All in, we were 3 hours 50 minutes, coming up for the 4 hour mark. We better a smash and grab a day up, back to Munros, head down the road. We're actually going to have lunch back at the car. It's a bit miserable up here, but the rain's half now, and the clag's still hanging there, the tops of the Munros. So if you've managed to watch this far, thanks very much for watching, and I will definitely catch you on the next one.